Welcome. Let's do some date functions today. I'm going to start with the today function that will pick up the computer's date as it is today. This one is a volatile function. It doesn't actually have anything between the parentheses, and I will just enter that into the cell, and this one will change as I come back into this file in days to come. Now, it is showing 5/31/2018, the day I'm recording this. I want to point out that behind the scenes of every date is a serial number. So the serial number for this day is 43,251. They began numbering with January 1 of 1900 as day 1 and moving forward from there. So that's an important feature when working with dates, and you'll see it come into play as I use these others. So if I want to extract just what year is in that particular day, I start with the year function. When I see it in this list, I either double click it or use the tab. It is not enter. Then I will click on the particular cell that I'm interested in, and that will return this crazy thing. Well, all that I've got there is basically it is looking at that as a date when I actually need to change that back to the general function, or pardon me, general formatting. I'm going to actually fix that for these two as well, because that will continue to be an issue. I'm not wanting to return a date format there. I want to return the general format. So equals month, we'll do the same, point at the same cell. It's picking up that serial number behind the scenes, and it returns the 5th month of the year. And this will do the same with the day of the month of the particular date. So there we've got it. If you ever need to extract those different things when working with dates, that should get you started.